Hello, it's Trisha here, and I'm from Passive Income today. This is a little bit of a different video to what I would normally present, and I want to share with you why I changed my crazy, complicated tech setup for my audio equipment back to a very simple Jabra product. I've been making a ton of videos, and my son Tom, who is an absolute nerd in the tech space, set me up with a pretty fancy audio get up and go for making my videos. Whilst it was really good, every time I turned my computer off, certain things wouldn't be working and I'd restart, or I'd be ready to jump on a call and the audio wasn't working, and it was stressing me out quite a lot. And before I found the fancy stuff, I was using the basic stuff. And the reason I'm sharing this video with you today is just to let you know you don't need to spend a lot of money on equipment to make good quality videos and have good audio. Crystal clear audio is really important for your audience so they can understand what you're saying and focus on the message rather than worrying about all the distractions. So I live in Perth, Australia, and if you know anything where Perth is, it's pretty remote. There's not a lot here. On the east coast of Australia, you have Sydney, Brisbane, Melbourne. You have a whole lot of towns in between. In West Australia, we have Perth. The nearest place nearer to Perth is Antarctica than Sydney, so you can imagine how remote we are. There isn't a lot to choose from when you go to the shops. You have some mainstream products, but what I was really looking for was a simple audio headset that I could record these videos. So I went back to Jabra, what I actually use with my day job. And today I went out and purchased this. It's called a Jabra Connect 4H. And I have just made a couple of test videos and I found it really good. If you're starting a YouTube channel or you're looking for some ways to make things a little bit easier, then this is an excellent solution for you. In addition to the Jabra, what I also purchased, Jabra, a lot of their new pieces of equipment these days comes with a USB-C, which is a tiny little plug. And if you've got an older style computer or you use an USB-A type port, you wonder how to connect the two. They make these tiny little connection, not sure that you can see it here, but they're adapters that turn the USB-C to a USB-A so you can use it on any computer at any time. So they're the two products I bought. I went to JB Hi-Fi. The Jabra is really comfortable to wear. It's really light. You don't need any equipment to install. I think the audio quality is good. I actually have a really noisy fan next to my computer. In fact, I'll just move if I can get this to move upwards. You can see there's a noisy fan on the go, and it seems to be cancelling out some of the background noise, which is really great. So now that I have messed up my webcam, I just wanted to share that with you in case you were thinking about how to get started, what type of audio equipment. Should you just use the microphone in your laptop or should you purchase something else? Now in Australia, Australian dollars, this was roughly $140 for this headset. In America and other countries, I'm sure it's a lot cheaper, and definitely on the east coast of Australia, you probably save a lot of money. So it's called a Jabra Connect 4, and they have a whole range of different products. This one has been really good. So far, so good. I'm going to be recording some videos today. I hope that you find this helpful, and I will finish up here. Thank you. Have a lovely day.